Dragon Breath Simple Syrup. Making Dragon Breath Simple Syrup. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white sugar, 6 or more dried peppers. This is to heat preference. Optional for extra heat, 1 to 2 ghost peppers. Also optional, edible glitter. How to prepare Dragon Breath Simple Syrup. Heat a saucepan on medium-high heat. Add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of white sugar. Bring to a simmer and stir until all the sugar is dissolved. If you want more heat, you can cut the peppers. Once the sugar is dissolved, add dried peppers and bring to a boil. Optional, add the ghost pepper whole or cut depending on your heat preference. Bring to a boil and boil for 2 minutes, then remove from the heat. Cover and let steep for 1 to 2 hours. Once cool, strain into a clean container. Optional, add edible glitter. Then pour this into a bottle to store. Store in fridge till ready to use. May store for 1 to 2 weeks.